I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Vega straightener. Unplug the device and wait until it is fully cool for safety, then place it on a clean surface. Find the safety latch near the hinge and press, or slide it to release. Use gentle pressure to open the plates and avoid yanking or twisting, and check the cord and plug before reassembly to ensure safe use. In this video, I will explain how to open Vega straightener. Start by unplugging and cooling the tool, then flip it over and locate all visible screws near the hinge. Use a small Phillips screwdriver to remove them one at a time, placing each screw in order on a tray or tape strip. Gently lift the housing, watching for clip tabs and ribbon cables, and never pull on wires or internal heating components. In this video, I will review how to open Vega straightener. Quick recommendation: if you like keeping parts and small tools organized, consider leak-proof containers for neat storage and easy transport. They seal tight and stack well. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help with cleaning and inspecting a Vega straightener. After opening, use a soft lint-free cloth with a little isopropyl alcohol to remove product buildup from the plates and surrounding housing. Carefully inspect internal wiring, switches, and connectors for corrosion, frayed insulation, or loose contacts. If you spot damaged parts or broken clips, replace them or consult a qualified repair technician to avoid risking electric shock or further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.